6th grade Excel, lesson 148, solving for an unknown with similar polygons. Similar figures have corresponding angles that are equal. You guys already know about this term corresponding because you do these things like this. Remember those? I have a studio audience helping me out here today. So this angle is corresponding to that angle. Remember that stuff? So we're going to do the same thing now on shapes. Well, these two lines are parallel, but this angle is corresponding to that angle, right? Therefore, their sides will have equivalent ratios. You can use the known values to solve for the length of the unknown side. So this side here, these two shapes are similar to each other, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so this side corresponds to this side, and this side corresponds to this side. Basically what we're doing is setting up two equivalent fractions like we've done. It's like stuff for money, ratios. You guys have done all kinds of problems like this. So here we have 3 as the short side, and then 8 as the long side. So the short side over here is 6. So they set this up as 3 goes with the 6, because those are the two short sides, and then the two long sides are going to go right here in that fraction. So how do we go from 3 to 8? Well, we can't. But we know that this is equal to 1/2, and that's what they show you down here. And so 8 is going to be what as 1/2? 8 with the x. X is obviously equal to 16 because 8/16 is also 1/2. Another way you could have set this one up is by doing 3 with the 8 is equal to 6 with the what? You guys see that? Because the 3 goes with the 6. See, those kind of go together, and then the 8 goes with this. And that's, when you set it up like that, it's actually easier. 3 times 2 is 6. 8 times 2 is 16. A little shorter trip to get to the answer than having to simplify your fractions first. All right, these two rectangles are similar. That's the one we just did. So I guess we've got that one covered. We'll keep moving on. These two figures are similar. The measurements of the larger triangle sides are given. Can you find the lengths of the smaller triangle's unknown sides of A and B? So this triangle is similar to this one. They've given you 15, 24, and 30. All the sides on this one, they only gave you this one side on the smaller one. So you have to figure out what sides A and B are equal to. Pause the video, try these problems, just set up equivalent fractions, turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. All right, here we go. So we've got the 15 goes with the 5, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to set up 15 here, goes with 5. Doesn't matter what order you do them in as long as you keep it the same. You could put 5 over 15, but then you're always going to have a small triangle on the top. Okay, which one do you want to figure out first, A or B? What do you guys want to do? Come on.
A.
Let's do A, okay? So what side on the big one over here is A?
24.
24. So we're going to start with the 24 here, and then we don't know this number there. Now, is that working to go from 15 to 24? Not too well. So we could set it up instead with 15 and then 5 over here, right? And then we know the 24 is here, and then we can figure it out that way instead. Okay? So 15, how do I go from 15 to 5?
Times by 3. Yeah.
Or divide by 3, right? 24 divided by 3 is?
8.
8. So A is equal to 8 what?
8 inches.
Inches, good. Okay, now how about this last one? B, we've got 30. We can keep the 15. Let's keep it like it was before with the 5 because we know that we can divide by 3, right?
Yes.
And so we're going to put 30 now down here. 15 with the 30. And the 5 then is going to be with what? What's the answer going to be? 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 30 divided by 3 is 10, right? Notice this. 15 30ths. What does that reduce to? 15 30ths is
1/2.
1/2. So this one also has to be 1/2, right? So 10 what?
Inches.
Inches. Beautiful. All right. And same stuff there. So that's the end. Thanks for watching. Hey, somebody's drawing on my math lesson.
That's Tyler right there.
Okay. Thanks for the help. Gotta make sure Haley gets back without getting attacked by robbers.
It's heavy.
Bandits.
You have him here.
I
My
have.
backpack's off this heavy.
Oh, it's still recording.
Oh my goodness.
Wait.
Hit
Where's the
stop button.
camera?